Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add Solana network to Metamask. Now, in order for us to proceed, we're going to go ahead and type here solflare.com/metamask. And once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and click get started down here. And then we're going to go ahead and hit continue once again, and then just go ahead and continue this one until you see the option that says connect MetaMask. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and you should be able to see your MetaMask pop out. I want you to go ahead and scroll down and then click the accept button right here, click connect. Now click confirm, and then go ahead and click install Solana wallet, hit confirm, and then we're just going to wait for this one until we see the installation being completed. Now I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now if we are going to go ahead and open our MetaMask, what we are going to see is this one right here. This is the Solflare. Now you can just go ahead and click your Solflare account right here. I'm just going to go ahead and tap next and then confirm this one, and you can see that they are now being connected. So if I were to go ahead and open it once again, you can see that now we have the Solflare account being connected in here. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.